Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this mesmerizing neomorphism effect. So if you also want to create this and want to know the complete process, then keep watching our video till the end. Because at the end, you are going to see some more examples just like this. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here we are in Canva interface and we selected an Instagram post blank page. And now we are adding the circle shape from recently used section and now changing its color to white. After this, we are adjusting it in the page and then downloading it in the PNG format by applying this transparent background effect. Okay, so now downloading it guys. Okay, so now it's downloaded. After downloading it, we are uploading it in the page. Okay, so we uploaded the image and just deleted that previous circle. Now we are cutting out the extra part here. Also guys, while we are doing this, a video is flashing in your I button. So you can check out that video as well after watching this one. Okay guys, so now as it is done, so now we are going to apply here some effects. So for that we are just duplicating the circle and now to this duplication we are applying the brightness to -100. Now duplicating it one more time and then setting the brightness to -30. Okay guys, so it's done. After this, we are going to drag these two circles and then going to set all these three. First of all, adjusting it in the middle and center. So as you can see, it's done now. Now after this, just increasing the size of one of the circles, and that is this white circle from the upward side. Okay, now after doing this, we are going to increase the size of this black circle from the downward side, as you can see, so that the little portions are visible. The effect is visible in your screen guys, as you can see. So this type of effect you have to create to achieve the neomorphism effect. Okay, now after this we are applying this blur effect to the whitish part and we are setting it to 35. Okay, now after this we are going to apply some blur effect to the lower part and that is this black circle part. And now to this we are applying the blur to 35 again. So guys, it's done. After this we are going to duplicate a circle and then we are going to send it to back by increasing its size little bit, as you can see. Now after this we are again going to duplicate that circle and then going to change its color to black. Okay, now sending it to back. As you can see, the effect is almost coming here. Also guys, while we are adjusting it, if you are liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video. Do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we post a new stuff. Share this video with the one who needs it guys. Okay guys, so the adjustment of that black circle is almost done. Now we are duplicating this white circle and now by increasing its size we are sending it to back. As you can see in your screens, You also have to do it in the same way. Okay guys, now adjusting the white circle. Okay, now after adjusting it, we are adding here a text box, and in this we are going to write our effect name, and that is neomorphism effect. Okay guys, so now as you can see, it's written in the screen. So after this we are changing it to capital, and then we are going to decrease its size so that it can fit in the circle. Okay, so now after writing it, we are going to change its color to white. Okay guys, so now it's done, as you can see in your screens. So after this, we are going to duplicate this and then going to apply the black color to its duplication. Okay, so just duplicating it and then applying the black color. Okay guys, after doing this, we are going to adjust it in the way so that we can see a little bit of neomorphism effect in the text as well. So I'm just sending this black to back side and then I'm adjusting it. So you also have to adjust it in the same way, the way I have done it. Okay guys, so now after this we are going to select all the elements and then we are going to group them together. So we just group all the elements together and now we are adjusting it in the center of the page. Also guys, while we are doing this, if you want to know about more such creative ideas, then you can check out our Canva playlist. The link is in the description box. Okay guys, so now our design is ready. So it's time to download it. So we are going to download it in PNG format. So we are downloading it here guys. Okay, and it's downloaded, and after downloading, here we have a final post. So guys, what do you think about this neomorphism effect? Let us know in the comment section. Also, we have some more examples for you like this one. Like this one also, and like this one, and last one is this one. So guys, what do you think about all these? Let us know in the comment section. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed and got a value here. Okay, so now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.